This 5-minute solution will show you how to share Instagram Reels to Facebook page at same time. So if you want to share your Instagram Reels to your Facebook page at the same time, just follow these quick steps. Go ahead and launch your Insta application. Tap on this plus icon at the bottom. Select Reel. And I'm going to adding a dummy reel here. Now here you will find this recommend on Facebook option. So tap on it. Now enable recommend on Facebook. Select turn on for all reels or turn on for this reel option. And now all you have to do is just tap on next and post this reel, and after that the reel will be automatically posted to your Facebook page. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.